paint it on your egg. Okay? Alright. Is she left-handed?
You know, I haven't figured it out yet. She really uses both a lot.
So maybe ambidextrous, that runs in my mom's family.
Really? I didn't know if it was too soon to be able to, you know,
Yeah,
make
I
that
don't know.
decision. I don't know what age it's like.
When she goes to color, which hand does she
She
use?
uses both.
Eating.
Both. If I had to say one she uses more, it's the right one.
Well, she may very well be ambidextrous. Aunt Chris is, and
Oh,
Laura's
really?
parents were.
You and Chris both right-handed?
Yeah, we're both right-handed.
That doesn't mean anything
If it's in the family.
if it's in the
Yeah.
family. Yeah.
Well, who's left-handed in the family?
Well, my nephew Matt is left-handed.
Oh, really?
Yes. Aunt Chris is ambidextrous. Both of my mother's parents were ambidextrous.
Did you say Granny is, or?
No, Granny is right-handed, but both of her parents
Yeah.
are ambidextrous. So, and the 7 kids in her family, some are right, some are left, some are ambi.
Really?
Yeah.
Aw. Lucy, you're doing a very good job.
I know, she really is. She's very artistic.
She really is.
Looks really good.
One more time, Lionel.
Yeah,
This one.
yeah. I said, I love you so much I can hardly stand it, and I'm so excited for the Easter Bunny to come tomorrow.
Yeah, that's it. She's really into it, huh?
Will you come look at this laundry for me with me for just a second?
Yes, uh-huh.
It's pretty fun, huh, Lucy?
I guess you're the only one here.
Yeah.
Yeah, already on that one.
Mom, did you bring the kitchen when you help me bring this egg?
You what?
Help me bring this egg?
Yeah, let me do a little bit.
Mommy's gonna help.
Let me see. You are doing such a good job, Lucy.
She's so artistic.
You are, I mean, she just really has it covered layer by layer. She's going down.
Artist.
You're doing good.
Thank you.
You look so pretty when it dries. No, it's just like the others.
Yeah. And this one?
Sure.
Coming along good.
Yeah. Maybe it's got the little spoke so you can turn it over. And do the other
Yeah, it
side.
just keeps it from rolling, that's
Right.
all. Yeah. But I mean, you're supposed to let it dry, do a second coat, touch-ups, you know.
That made me think of with the shaving cream, yeah.
Yeah, Jan had asked me, because she had asked me to send her pictures of it, and then she said, well, how'd it go? And I said, well, we had a learning curve. And she said, as am, and I said, I had to learn to be a little more light-handed with the eggs.
Weather's changing outside. It's a little cloudy.
Yep.
I wonder if the bunny will have to hide the eggs in the house, maybe.
Because Uncle David will see the Easter Bunny.
Oh, I think Uncle Davy has seen the Easter Bunny a bunch of times. You don't put two colors on one egg on this paint.
You have to do the whole egg all one color, right?
Right.
What you're saying, gotcha.
Correct. That is precisely what I am saying.